My water people, I don't come again. I've come again today. It's been over 22 years. No issue. What is going on? Please, I need child, even if it's just one. Or go do some food, just one. Make I just born one pikin a day. God of the waters. Please, I need pikin. I'm tired. If I go to market, problem. If I go anywhere, problem.
So many of our parents are just like this now. So many of us, most of us, some of us, when our parents were looking for the fruit of the womb, in the olden days, people were telling them that they did not give birth on time, or they've not given birth, or go and give birth, because that is normal thing our people do. Your mates have given birth, go and give birth. So many of our parents now run to the water, asking their ezumezu, asking their water people, asking their ndiotu to bless them with child. That people always tell them to go and give birth to their own children. They can't even send another child to do something for them. Why? Because their mother will come telling them to stop sending their own child, that she should go and get her own child. So many of our mothers run to the water to go and ask their water people for child, to go and tell their water people to bless them to have their own child. At the end of the day, our parents, they got their own child through seeking for fruit of the womb. When they ran to the rivers, immediately they have their own child, they will forget where they started. Because of what? That's when they will forget. They will start enjoying life. At the end of the day, they couldn't fulfill the promise they made when they were looking for that fruit of the womb from the rivers. Now, most of you are the results gotten from that fruit of the womb. Today, your parents are no more. Today, that's your mother is no more. Today, that's your father is no more. And the water people, they have come back to you, started disturbing you because of that promises that was made when your parents were looking for the fruit of the womb. That which is you today. And maybe because you are going to church, you don't know much about tradition. You don't know much about omenana, because people will always give omenana a bad name. Because you think that going to the rivers is not good, it's mommy water, is this and that and that. You are facing lots of challenges in your life. This may be the root cause of your challenges. Try to find out the story that is behind your coming to this world, because that may be where your challenge is coming from. Try to find out where your parents went to. Try to find out the story behind your parents when they were looking for fruit of the womb. Some parents wouldn't even tell you that something like that happened in your life or in their life. They would like to hide it from you. Because of what? Because of what people will say. Because they don't want their children to know, because this is the era of Christianity. But here you are still passing through so many things. Because your parents forgot to go back to the origin, where they started. Before the universe were able to bless them with children, which is you. I will stop here. This is Adandibo Lifestyle. If you love what I do here, please, Sonyelum Botandozo. Kemesiano. Don't be like this woman that is weeping here. Don't be like this woman that is crying her mind out. I will leave you here to meditate, to think about your life, because this might actually be the root cause of your problem. But that doesn't mean that the waters are the people behind your problems. No, your parents are the problems you are having. Because of what? They didn't tell you the origin of you, how you came about. You need to go and do what you need to do. I leave you here.